Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet pineapple bra, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like the video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Let's start. I will use Elise Diva and hook number 3.5mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make 4 chains as shown now. Then turn and make double crochet into the first chain. Then make 2 chains and 2 double crochet into the same chain as shown now, into the same first chain. I made 2 chains, then I will make 2 double crochet as shown now, then make 2 chains again and 2 double crochet stitches again into the same first chain as shown now. Then turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches as shown now. Then I will make 3 chains and make double crochet into that space. Then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into the same space as shown. Then make 3 chains and make a new shell into the space of the next shell. So I will make 2 double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet again into the same space of the shell for the previous round. Then turn to start new round and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches as shown now. Then make a new shell. So I will make 3 chains and double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet into the space of the previous shell from the previous row. Then make 3 chains and make double crochet here into the space of into the middle space for the previous row. Then make 5 chains and make double crochet into the same space as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make the last shell, 2 double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet into the space of the previous shell from the previous row. Then turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches and start new shell. I will make 3 chains and double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet again into that space. Then skip next space and make 3 chains, then make 12 double crochet into the next space here, the space of 5 chains from the previous row. I will make 12 double crochet stitches inside it. Then turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches and start new shell with the same sequences. Then make 3 chains and make double crochet above next double crochet from the previous row. Then make chain and make double crochet again and next above next double crochet and make a chain and repeat above next 12 double crochet stitches with the same sequence as shown now. Then make the last shell with the chain, then start new round, turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches as shown now and start new shell. Then make 3 chains and skip next space. Then make single crochet between the next 2 double crochet from the previous row. Then make 3 chains and repeat with the same sequence. So I will make single crochet between next 2 double crochet, then make 3 chains and repeat with the same sequence as shown now. Then make the last shell with the same sequence. Then I will start new round, turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. Then I will make the first shell. Then make 3 chains and skip next space and make single crochet into the space of 3 chains from the previous row. Then make 3 chains again and make single crochet into the next space and 3 chains and make single crochet into the next space and repeat with the same sequence as shown now, and make the last shell. Then I will start new round. I made the first shell, then make 3 chains and skip next space and repeat with the same sequence for the rest of the next round as shown now. Now I finished that round with the shape and made that first shell. Then I will make single crochet here into that space of 3 chains from the previous row. Then I will make 3 chains again and make the last shell. Now I made the first shell and I'll make the last shell with the same sequence as shown now. Then I will turn and make slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. Then make 3 chains and make double crochet into that space for the previous shell. Then I will make 2 double crochet into the next space of the next shell as shown now. Then turn and make slip stitch into the next 2 stitches only and make 3 chains. Then make double crochet between last 2 double crochet from the previous row. Then I will make 70 chains to tie the bra around the neck as shown now. Then I will make another unit with the same sequence as shown now. Then make a long string to tie the bra around the waist as shown now. I will join that string into the 4th round from the beginning with the shape and with the method. I will join that string with 2 units with the shape to tie around the waist. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I already finished that crochet pineapple bra, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share under this video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.